crucial na parte ng larong ito. Back to you, Rado.
Well, maraming salamat, Sel. And of course, asahan po natin ang mga reports pa ni Sel as we go along dito sa ating napakahalagang laro. And because itong si James na, kaya nang nabanggit ni Sel, may iniinda po nga konting hindi pa kaseryosong karamdaman. He won't be starting this afternoon, and instead ay si PJ Simon na magsisimula sa kanyang pwesto, kanyang point guard Mark Baroka at kanyang frontline, of course, Jody Vance, Denzel Bowles, and Mark Pingree. Samantala sa unang po ng Air 21, si Simon Atkins kasama si Winnie Arboleda. Samantala ang frontline ng KG Carileta and Bitoy Umulan. Wala pa po tayong score dito sa magsimula natin first quarter, although nagsisigawan na yung mga pass dahil muntik lang magka-dunk doon eh. But that time, intention running jumper dito si PJ Simon. Simon natin with the leather, nakita si Bitoy, isang fake, ayaw pa rin. Yung follow-up dunk sana ni Mike Danigan, ayaw pumasok doon.
Well, almost 2 alley-oop slams but nothing converting. But very interesting para sa Air 21 ha. Itong si Mike Cortez not starting for Air 21.
Samantala, ito pa si Mark. Yung mga fans ng San Miguel Coffee ngayon at tuwang-tuwa pa rito sa kanilang kaping Baroka. Si Mark Baroka, though he missed in the free throw. So 2-0 pa rin po ang ating tala dito sa first quarter.
You know, Mark Baroka, one of the players of San Miguel Coffee that I feel na hindi pa natin nakikita yung lubos na potential nitong batang to.
Matala, Bitoy, strong move with the double team. Hindi ininda itong si Bitoy Umulon in their last game. Maganda rin ng nilaro nitong si Bitoy. Though they lost. Eto, bumali. Inabot naman doon ni Jody Vance. Ang kanyang pasa na atala pa at nakakuha nito si Mark Baroka. Kakascratch for the counter attack. Pull-up jumper. Ayaw! But Mark Pickens is there. Ilalabas muna at doon at napayungan siya. And there's a...
Andyan yung balik import nila na nagdala sila that actually won them the finals. So everybody was expecting na dapat nasa taas itong San Miguel Coffee. But when you look at what San Miguel Coffee has passed through itong komperensyang ito, hindi sila nagsimula with Denzel Bowles. They had a couple of injuries. So hindi smooth sailing itong San Miguel Coffee. Air 21 naman, Matt, yung bottom 2 teams, 9 and 10, tanggal yan.
Correct.
Yung top 8 pasok sa quarterfinals. 1 versus 8, 2 versus 7, twice to beat advantage ang 1 versus 2, ang 1 and 2. Ito namang 3 versus 6 and 4 versus 5, best of 3. So kung nandun ka sa gitna, gusto mong mapunta dun sa best of 3.
Correct. At ayaw mo na isang beses ka lang tatalunin. Yung number 1 and number 2 seeded teams pagpasok mo ng quarterfinals. Itong F21, ito matatawagan ng sa 2-0 at matuloy tayo dun sa discussion natin tungkol dun sa seeding ng ating mga teams. Hindi pa tiyak na tiyak because as you were mentioning at the start of the ball game, 7 wins ang magic number para siguradong sigurado ka na. Ngayon po, ang kumuna naman itong Air 21 ay meron pa lamang 5. Samantala,
Humihila pa eh. So ganun ka-importante talaga itong larong ito for Air 21.
well, ang kapunan po ng San Miguel Coffee, gaya ng binabanggit namin, nakabulig pa po. They are tied with 2 other teams. That's Meralco and Tom and Text. Naman ang San Miguel Coffee ngayon, nagdadalawang putos, 4-2. 9 minutes and 5 seconds to go in the first quarter. 12 seconds to go. Winnie Arboleda for 3. Malakas yun, but Mike Danigan is there for the offensive rebound. Balik ulit. Pero papasok na this time. Itong si Arboleda, ayaw mo rin pumasok. At Mark Baroka on a 3-on-3 situation. Nakita si Mark Pingris. Mark Pingris tried to recover. Babalik sa kanya. Nadalo po sa nakita ni kanyang point guard. Mas malaki siya daw pero babalik sa labas. Now it's Denzel Bowles. Kapos sa kanyang tira. Mark Pingris to the rescue though.
Another offensive rebound para sa San Miguel Coffee. If you're Air 21, you don't want to give that up, especially to a guy like Mark Pingris dahil yung energy ng San Miguel Coffee nagsisimula yan kay Mark Pingris.
At pinaparamdam pa ng depensa nitong San Miguel Coffee. Hirap na hirap makapag-half court set itong mga taga-Air 21. Kaya natin pinapagit, mananakawan pa sila doon. PJ Simon, atake, nasa labas. Si Mark Baroka to Mark Pingris. Down to Bowles, doing the reverse.
Sharing the basketball, San Miguel Coffee between the basketball and the basket and your man.
Well, 4 out of 10. Hindi kataasan ng field goal shooting ng San Miguel, but 1 out of 7. That's despicable para dito si Air 21. May nakaw pa. Ito si Mark Pingris and will finish it with a stop.
Very tough for Air 21. Coming off a timeout, you turn the ball over. Tapos may fast break slam dunk pa si Mark Pingris.
Well, mukhang hinahanap nga natin yung mas mature na point guard na magsasalba dito sa opensa na in disarray in this first quarter for Coach Franz Kumaren. Ito, wala na namang mapasa. They go to KG Canileta. 5 seconds na lamang ito. Has to do something. Pero hindi siya pinapayagan Mark Pingris. Ang fadeaway niya, malakas pa. At ang rebound mapupunta pa kay Mark Baroka.
Ang ganda ng tinatrabaho nitong Sunny Coffee na hindi nila pinapapunta yung bola dito kay Michael Donigan.
Well, they know ang kalakasan itong si Mike Donigan. Kaya piniprayer pa nila na mahawakan itong si Duncan Donigan ng bola para sa Air 21. Instead, it's sa Sunny Coffee na nagkocontrol ng laro. Mintis yung tiran yung si Joe Devans. At nandun agad si Donigan for the rebound. Arboleda will penetrate, kicking it out. Bitoy Malone for 3. Ayaw pa rin pumasok.
Walang rhythm yung opensa nitong Air 21. You know, they started out with Atkins and Winnie Arboleda instead of a Mike Cortez. Seemingly a change in the starting five, pero mukhang hindi ganun kaganda yung response na nabigay ng mga players.
And when you're running your sets na ganun kadali, nararamdaman mo rin yung kumpiyansa ng itong mga taga-Sunny Coffee. Ngayon po ay lumubo na yung kanilang kalamangan to 11 points, 13-2.
Kung maganda ikot ng bola, maganda movement ng tao, mas malaki yung itsura ng ring.
Oo, pero itong Mike Donigan, sabi nga natin, hindi nakakakuha ng touches. Nung mapunta sa kanyang bola, sinolo na lang. Anticipated na siya. Triple team ang kanya kinaharap nun. Samantala, Baroka, pansamantalang libre, papasa na lang. That's Jody Vance to Denzel Balls, yung tira niya. Look at the rhythm. Brought the mark na yung extra passes itong mga taga-Sunny Coffee.
And when you mentioned the extra passes, mas mahirap depensahan yan dahil umiikot yung bola from one side to the other. That's why yung defense has to move and extend out coming off that jump shot. Ito yung steal ni Mark Pingris for this easy slam dunk coming off.
Inaris Sports Arena at 9 p.m. naman via satellite dito lang sa Active. Kung nais yung manood ng live, SM Ticketnet at Ticket World ang inyong pupuntahan. A lot of problems, Dominic, dito sa Air 21.
Unang-unang problema, 1 out of 10. 10% ang kanilang field goal shooting. Tapos, 4 turnovers for Air 21.
At samantala, itong rhythm naman ng Sunny Coffee, tuloy-tuloy dito. Magbabalasa pa itong si Coach Tim Go. Nandiyan na si Leonardo sa loob. At itong si Jody Vance Mintes. But Denzel Balls is there! But
it's fine because nandun yung intensity na pinapakita ni Denzel Balls. Mag-isa lang siya dun sa shaded lane getting that offensive rebound.
Two big men flying high, bakbakan sa itaas. Ito ang ating asahan. Pero of course, itong si KG Canileta, siya naman ang makauna dito sa mga locals ng Air 21 para mapatid yung 13-0 run ng Sunny Coffee. Denzel Balls. Atake! Strong move! Napalakas din yung kanyang tira. At ito, nagmamadali. Mike Cortez ating hinahanap. Nandito na po sa loob. Demand the point para sa upunan ng Air 21. Mark Isip. Umbreno. Bigay kay KG Canileta. Using the pick. Balik kay Mark Isip. Free throw shot. Pabording na.
No problem. No problem.
Boarding ringless. Sinadya kaya?
Malamang hindi.
Pero pasok na 2 points na yun.
Kasi yung boarding na galing dyan sa may free run, mahirap yun.
Mahirap yun. Mahirap sadyain. Samantala, makakanakaw muli ang Air 21. That time was Bonbon Custodio who run after the ball.
Now with Cortez and Custodio, you have guys who can create for everybody else on the floor. So KG Canileta now can move to the outside and spot up for a couple of shots.
At pag nakapasok ka nung paboarding ng diretso, magkakakumpiyansa ka na talaga. Just like what...
mas malaking itsura na yung ring. Mas lalo na kapag nababanda mo pa.
At kaya ngayon po, kanina, ang kalamangan, pinakamataas na yan at 13 points. Ngayon ay natapos sila down to only 7. Ball naman ng Air 21 Express. Now they're back to KG. The turn around is good.
And that time, KG Canileta, walang tumulong dun sa pagdepensa sa kanya. That's why he's able to shoot easily over his defender.
May sukli naman itong Air 21 with an 8-0 counter-attack dun sa 13-0 run itong Sunny Coffee. Yung pasa pa ni Denzel Balls. Horda, papalitan muna. Ang papasok, Jerwin Gako. Mga Gako natin. Sabi, assemble na po kagad. Napaaga. Ang pagpasok nito nga si Jerwin Gako. Samantala, Denzel Balls supalpal mo na kanyang pinalitan.
Well, interesting yung sinabi niya kay Sel before the basketball game. Sinabi niya, kailangan ko i-pace yung sarili ko. And that's very important. Recovering siya dun sa trangkaso, di ba? So nag-antibiotic siya, but very important for him to be able to pace himself because sa dulo, kailangan si James Yap.
Well, alam partner, ang ganda ng nilalaro ng San Miguel Coffee, pero kung pula-pula, itong kanilang top local scorer na si PJ Simon, hindi kasi nung nga nag-contribute. Parang mas gusto ng PJ no coming off the bench. As we see the three-pointer by KG Canileta, his 7th point of the game. Tatlo na lang hinahabol, pero dadagdag to si Denzel Bones. Napalakas at naantala ng depensa. So well, kaya naman pinagmamasa na talagang ating inaabangan yung duelo na yan. Dalawang higante, talagang hindi, ito to, nakakatikitan pa partner. Although si Danigan nakawala that time, still has to score. Kaya naman, he's not minding his points. Basta yung mapigil man lang itong si Denzel Bones yung kanyang ginagawa. Pero isa sa mga paboritong import ko itong si Mike Danigan. Not because of anything, but because of his shoes. Kaya naman naka-concourse naman siya. Jordan 11 concourse naman.
Mahirap siguro kumuha ng ganyang size, di ba?
Alam ko kinukuhanan yan eh. Samantala, James Shap ang kanyang jumper. Ordinarily, nakalista na yung 2-pointer. Pero namin din siya that time. Rebound goes to Air 21. Sasakit siya. Torbon Custodio. Dire-diretso Mendez. Second serving, hindi pa rin nakakuha. Ito, takbuhan na nagaganap dito. As Alex Malyari controls the point para sa kapunan ng San Miguel Coffee. They go to Denzel. Pull-up jumpers! Makagos!
Ito si Denzel Bones just feels so comfortable facing up from about 18 feet. At napakahirap niya, because his shot is all the way up. So napakahirap depensahan yan.
Of this conference, ang ating Commissioner's Cup at ang kanilang bidang-bida na, of course, si Denzel Bones. Hindi siya nagsimula ng konferensyang ito, but he has to be shipped in. Hindi sila masyadong nasihan sa kanilang unang import. At 6, tied with Gerardo and Talk and Text, trying to battle out because now they're tied with from the 5th to 7th places. A minute and 27. At si Michael Danigan, siya may yung paboarding niya, may kalakasan, still groping for form, only a point to his name. It's the first quarter. Alex Malyari, hindi handa yung kanyang pinasahan doon, although natapik na yung pasa. Mananatili si Air 21 ang possession.
Rado, may kwento ako para sa'yo.
Sige nga.
Okay. So si Michael Danigan, naalala mo ba nung unang mga laro niya, hindi naman ganun ka-impressive, di ba?
Oo.
Parang natutulak pa siya nila Bo Belga, hindi siya makaposte. At ang consensus, parang hindi ganun kalakas.
And might be shipped out.
Might be shipped out. Nung pagdating ng mami niya, alam mo ba, winan-on-one siya. Tapos doon na nag-improve. Doon na siya naging mamaw.
Binanuan siya sa court o sa mga tinuruan siya ng mga moral?
Tinuruan siya. Tinutukan siya.
Samantala ito mamaya patuloy ang ating kwentuhan tungkol kay Michael Danigan dahil humahabol na itong Air 21. Pagkakataon na nilang tumabla dito, only 2-point lead for San Miguel Coffee, 18-16. The letter is with Mike Cortez. Nakita si KG Canileta for 3. Malakas yun. At makakukuha pa ni James Shap. Dahan-dahan, i-last shot natin sapagkat ang pagitan ng ating shot clock at ang ating quarter clock is only 8 seconds. Jerwin Gaco to James Shap. 1-on-1 against Bonbon. To Alex Malyari. Looking at the post position. Nakita doon itong si Joe Devance. 6 seconds. Atake. Jerwin Gaco between two defenders. Malakas. Pero nandun si Denzel Bones for the putback.
That's just great anticipation by Denzel Bones. Nakita niya, kumep itong si Michael Danigan. He knew he was gonna get an